Dear 99 Battles players, an important announcement for you regarding the change in TDS policy on the platform in line with the provision contained in Finance Act 2023 following TDS policies applicable for all player of 99 Battles from 1st April 2023. TDS is applicable at the time of withdrawal. 30% TDS is applicable on net winnings, that is withdrawal minus deposits at the time of withdrawal. So now let's understand what is called net winning. Here net winning is equal to total withdrawal minus total deposits in a financial year. Here total deposits mean deposits in the financial year plus opening balance of financial year. So let's see how TDS calculation is done using TDS rule under different scenarios.
Scenarios 1. I have balance of Rs 10,000 in my account on March 25, 2023 and I withdrawn it on April 5, 2023. On April 1, 2023 Rs 10,000 will be considered as your year opening balance, which will be considered as deposits in TDS calculation. If you withdrawn this Rs 10,000 on April 5, 2023, no TDS is applicable as your net winning zero withdrawal is 10,000 and deposits is 10,000. Scenarios 2. My net winnings is less than or equal to 0, then no TDS is applicable. Example, let us say you have a year opening balance of Rs 3,000 as on April 1, 2023, and you have deposited Rs 7,000 on April 2, 2023. Now you withdrawing Rs 5,000 on April 3, 2023. In above case your net winning is equal to Rs 5,000 minus Rs 10,000, that is 3,000 plus 7,000 is equal to minus Rs 5,000. So no TDS is applicable on this withdrawal. Scenario 3. If your net winnings including the withdrawal amount is more than 0, then 30% TDS will be deducted on the next winnings at the time of withdrawal. Let's understand this with an easy example.
Let's understand this with an easy example. Assume that in financial year, you have deposited total of Rs 7,000 and you had an opening balance of Rs 3,000 at start of this financial year. So now your total deposits stand at Rs 10,000, Rs 3,000 plus Rs 7,000.
And in the same financial year you have done a withdrawal of Rs 5,000.
Today on April 30th, 2023 you want to withdraw another Rs 7,000.
So with this withdrawal your total withdrawal stand at Rs 12,000. Rs 5,000 plus Rs 7,000. So now your net winning in this case becomes total withdrawal, that is Rs 12,000 minus total deposits, that is Rs 10,000, which is Rs 2,000. Now on your withdrawal request of Rs 7,000, TDS will be deducted on a net winning amount of Rs 2,000 at a rate of 30% on balance Rs 5,000. No TDS will be deducted on Rs 2,000 at rate of 30%. The TDS will be 600 Rs. Amount credited is equal to 6400700 extension 600. This means a TDS of 30% will be applicable on net winnings 7,000 to 600. This means a TDS of 30% will be applicable on net winnings. Scenario 4. If you have paid TDS in previous withdrawal, then no TDS is applicable on withdrawal till your net winnings exceed the amount for which you have already paid TDS. Let's understand this through an example for better clarity. For better clarity, assume of an 30th April 2023 following was the TDS deduction. Total withdrawal in the financial year is Rs 2,000. Total deposits in the financial year is Rs 14,000. So your net winnings are Rs 6,000 and on this Rs 6,000 you paid TDS at 30%, that is Rs 1,800. Now as of 15th May 2023 your deposits increased to Rs 20,000. Rupees 14,000 as of 30th April plus Rupees 6,000 additional deposits between April 30th to 15th May. Then following will be the status of your account. Total withdrawal is Rupees 20,000. Total deposits is Rupees 20,000. Rupees 14,000 as of 30th April plus Rupees 6,000 additional deposits between 30th April to 15th May. Net winnings previously taxed is Rupees 6,000. Rupees 1,800 TDS deducted on net winning of Rupees 6,000 at Rupees 30%. Now here comes to scenarios, no TDS applicable till your net winnings crosses Rupees 6,000 already taxed. If you withdrawn up to 6,000, no TDS is applicable as TDS already paid. If you withdrawn Rupees 10,000, no TDS is applicable as TDS already paid. If you withdrawn Rupees 10,000, then TDS is applicable only on Rupees 4,000 winning at 30% because you have already paid tax on Rupees 6,000. This means that on withdrawal request of Rupees 10,000, the amount that will be come to your account will be 10,000 minus 1,200, which is TDS on Rupees 4,000 at 30% is equal to Rupees 8,800. Scenario 5. There is one more scenario that can happen. Assume you have paid TDS on initial winning during the financial year, but your net winning have reduced post that. Let's understand this with an example. Assume on 30th April 2023 your TDS calculation was like this. Total deposits in financial year is Rupees 14,000. Total withdrawal in financial year is Rupees 20,000. Net winning in the financial year is Rs 6,000. On this net winnings of Rupees 6,000 you have paid TDS paid till date at 30% is equal to Rupees 1,800. Post this on 15th May your deposits reaches Rupees 20,000. Rupees 14,000 balance on 13th April plus Rupees 6,000 additional amount deposited during the 30th April to 15th May, and your total withdrawals in the financial year is Rupees 20,000. Net winnings in the financial year is Rupees 20,000 minus 20,000, that is 0. In such case, subject to applicable law, the excess TDS deducted can be claimed as refund in your annual income tax filing. What will happen to our balance lying in account at the end of financial year? Let's see scenario 6. At the end of financial year, if you an amount in your wallet excluding the amount on table, then TDS will be calculated on that amount by considering it as a withdrawal of the financial year. Remaining amount will be carried forward to next year as opening balance. Withdrawal from the opening balance will not to be subject to TDS in next year. For example, assume in a financial year your total deposits in the financial year is Rupees 40,000. Total withdrawal in the financial year is Rupees 40,000. TDS paid till the date on winning amount of Rupees 5,000 as initially you had positive winning of Rupees 5,000 is Rupees 1,500. Account balance at the end 31st March 2023 is Rupees 30,000. So now calculation will be done like this. Total withdrawal in the financial year is Rupees 70,000. Rupees 40,000 withdrawal plus Rupees 30,000 account balance. Total deposits in financial year is Rupees 40,000. Net winning is Rupees 30,000. Winning previously taxed is Rupees 5,000. Taxable net winnings, that is Rupees 30,000 minus Rupees 5,000 is Rupees 25,000. TDS at 30% on Rupees 25,000 is Rupees 7,500. Thus Rupees 7,500 TDS is deducted from your account balance at the end of 31st March 2024. Remaining balance of rupees 22,500, rupees 30,000 minus rupees 7,500 will be carried forward the next financial year as deposited amount. You will not have to pay TDS in the next financial year on withdrawal out of this amended OD rupees 22,500. Special notes: in case you have an amount on the table at the end of the financial year, then it will be not considered next year's opening balance.